Hi students, today we are going to discuss formulas in Excel. This is our 6 number lesson, that is a formulas in Excel. So today we are learning Excel sheet, means worksheet. So how to open, what is the use of that Excel sheet, that we will learn today. So we know that Excel worksheet we use 3 type of data values in the worksheet. So how to open that point first we will see. When you start your computer, so you have to click on the start button. Again, all programs, same as a Microsoft Word you opening, same this way we have to open Excel. See, Microsoft Office, and in that Microsoft Office, green symbol, Microsoft Office Excel. So when we click on that, our Excel window will open. So this is our Excel window. So in this window, we can insert 3 types of values. So which 3 types of values? First one is text, second number, and third one is formula. So these 3 types of values we can insert in that, which helps to perform a mathematical calculation. We can do mathematical calculation in the worksheet. Formula entry always begins with start from equal to symbol, and in that number also, like a 1 2 3 till 9 and 0 we can insert in that. And text means alphabetical letters, A to Z, all letters also we can insert in that Excel sheet. So now what is the use of that Excel sheet? So for making a account, mathematical related data we can save in that worksheet. Again, suppose for example any class mark sheet, so mark sheet also we can make in that. So we will make for example we'll make some 2-3 students Excel sheet also, means result sheet also. So that is the use to maintain record, mathematical record in the Excel worksheet. So now creating a simple formula. So how to create a formula? So whatever mathematical operations, mathematical symbols we are using in our running math subject, same symbols we can use in Excel sheet also. So first one is plus, minus, for multiplication star we are using in that. Then divide symbol, division symbol, exponential operator, percentage operator. So many types of symbols we can use in that. Next one is through enter key how we do the calculation. For example, one simple mark sheet we will make. See, when you start your computer, that time by default this cell is selected. I told this which one is selected, this is active cell. Okay, this is active cell. And now which one we are selecting? That every cell has specific address. Address, how we understanding the address? Means column name and row number. So means this cell address is E5. Okay, so that cell address is coming in address bar. See here, E5 came. Now suppose this cell, what is the name of this cell? What is the address of this cell? G6, means first we have to tell column name and then row number. So this cell address is G6. So see, G6 also is coming in name box. Okay. So now we will make simple result sheet. So first column is roll number. Second is name of the student. Third one is, now here see, for name of the students we can't type there, we don't have specific space, so we can increase space also. Then third is suppose maths, second science, okay, 2 subject. Then here 1, 2, 3. Again here A, B and C. So maths A have 30 marks and science have 44 marks. B students have 35, 45 Like this way we can insert 50 and 40. Okay, so we'll select border, all border. So this is our simple mark sheet. You can see the mark sheet. Okay, so now we have to make a total. Suppose for example student A, maths and science, how many total? So that we will do, see, through the plus symbol. So we have to type first equal to symbol, then 30 plus 44 and press the enter button. See, total came. How many totals came here? 74. So this way also we can make a total. Again, second procedure is we have to type their cell address. For example, see carefully, equal to symbol, we have to select first subject marks, only click, automatically that cell address is coming there. See, no need to type there F6. When you click on that, after equal symbol, that cell address is coming automatically, and select the cell address and type their plus symbol. Again select second cell address and press the enter button. See, this way also we can do the addition, means through the mathematical operation, like a number also we can number through also we can make a total, then cell address through also we can make a total. So this way. Next is using AutoSum. Now ready-made formats, ready-made formulas also available in that. So through that also we can make. So how to make? See, here we have to in home tab editing group. Here see that cross W symbol is there. We have to click on that small arrow and see here sum. Sum means total. So see here horizontally is showing. So vertically we want, so click on the sum. So here that addition is coming. So we can select this cell also. This two cell we want to add now. So select and press only C. When you select, that time automatically that SUM spelling also came, and in the bracket starting from F7 to G7 selecting that cell address also. So no need to type, only click on there and it will come, and press the enter. See, now this way also we can make a total. So this type of calculation, three types of calculation we can do the different way. So next is a copying formulas. Copy formula. Now here whatever formula we use, for example these, so any type of formula we can copy there. So see, right click, copy, and right click, paste. So see, now here 0 came because in that cell nothing is there, but this formula, which formula we use there, that formula is copy. Now how this copy, how we understand? So we will take a demo. We will insert here some digits. Okay, suppose for example here 36 and here 20. So automatically see 56 came. So no need, means we before calculation only we copied there our formula. Now see, I deleted all totals. We will make first total again. Go in editing group, select some formula and simply press enter. See there 74 answer came. Now on that active cell, bring your mouse pointer right side corner and click and drag your mouse. So this is the way of copying formula. No need to type again formula, or no need to click again on formulas option. So only copying means only click and drag your mouse, automatically other students also calculation will happen. Okay. Now see students, next point is functions. Now what is the use of function? Function means are the predefined formulas in Excel which are used to perform complex calculation and data analysis. Means in that in that sum means for addition we have to select multiple cells, like it's called range also. Range means what? We are selecting multiple cells. So suppose for example, see here starting from B4 to B10 I type some numbers, okay, some marks, we telling some marks, okay. So this total marks we have to calculate, we have to make a total, okay. So no need to type, means here how we have to do, equal to, then 40 plus 20 plus 42, this way also we can do. Again here some option through also we can do. But what is the function, what is the range, that I want to tell. See, when you say where we want to make a total, select that cell, press the equal button, sum sum, opening bracket, and in that opening bracket, see, when I am selecting selecting means starting from first marks cells till the last, okay, we have to select. See, I selected. So this is called a range. Whatever we selecting multiple cells, it is called a range. So in that range, what came in the last active cell is equal to sum B4 B10, means starting from B4 till the B10. Okay. So this way that range address is, cell address is coming. So now after that we have to press closing address and press enter. So see, last in the B11 cell total mention is there. So this way also we can use. So in this type we can use which type we use sum function. So this way average, count, max, mean, squared, today. So many types of function is available in that. So through that function means formula only. See, in home tab, cross W symbol is there. We have to click on that arrow, small arrow, and see here sum, average, count, number, max, mean, many types of functions available. So through that functions we can make a calculation. If more functions type we want, so click on more function. So see here types of functions is coming. So this way we can use all the types of functions for making a calculation. And viewing result without inserting function in the cell, that is we already seen, means total through plus symbol, selecting cell address, type in middle, type any symbol, mathematical symbol, and again next number. For example, again I will show, equal to there 45 for multiplication we are using star. So type there star and 3, 45 into 3, press the enter. See, 135 is answer. Okay, so this way also we can use, and ready-made functions available, functions formula. So through that also we can make a calculation. So in this lesson we saw already we saw all the types of functions, formulas, how to use that formulas and functions. So in that, if any concept you are not clear, then ask me through the message. Okay, thank you.